you guys, and welcome back. I wanted to show you my hair before I move on to the video for today. I wanted to show you my hair from last week. This is my braid out that I am so proud of. Look at the definition, you guys. The definition is amazing, and this is 7-day hair. 7-day hair. I definitely will be doing this style again. I really enjoyed it. It's beautiful. But with today being Valentine's Day, I felt like I needed to redo my hair, and that's what the video coming up is all about. But I wanted to show you my last week braid out that I am so proud of. So proud of it. So coming up, I have just finished washing and shampooing my hair. I'm sorry, shampooing, conditioning, and deep conditioning my hair, and I'm just kind of getting all that excess water out, and I'm going to go ahead and part my hair in sections so it'll be easier to work with. And I will definitely be showing you the products I use, the Shea Moisture protein products this time around. And again, I use the shampoo, the conditioner, which is what I'm showing you here, and the leave-in as well to this line. I really like this line because I feel like it with the protein, it makes my hair stronger, and it really makes my hair very soft. I left the protein in my hair for about 20 minutes because this was a rush. I really had to get my hair done, start on it and get it done, and for tonight or for Valentine's night. So I didn't let the deep conditioner stay on that long. So again, I use the leave-in conditioner. Now for my styling products, I did the leave-in conditioner. I did the last week products that I used, which is the African Pride Curl Mousse, and then I also did the Cream of Nature Curl Defining Cream as well. Now, I think where I went wrong this time around was I used too much of the hydrating curling cream, and yeah, my hair was not dry, you guys. I stayed up under the hair dryer for an hour and 30 minutes. Yes, I did, an hour and 30 minutes. And I think I just put too much cream in my hair, so it just not, my hair just was not dry at all. So basically, what I'm doing here, I'm just detangling my hair using the Cream of Nature. Of course, I'm sorry, not the Cream of Nature, but the leave into the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair line. And then I used the cream, and then I used the curl mousse. And so I'm just basically just doing what I did last week. I won't be doing 6 braids this time around. I'm going to do 4, and that could have had something to do with my hair not drying fully as well. Okay, you guys, so I just finished braiding my hair, and I put the rods down for my ends. And basically, I just did the exact same thing I did on last week. I just used less braids this time around. And I will show you the back. And I did braid to the scalp, so I'm hoping that, everything will turn out great. So we're going to pray here. Let's pray, and let's see how all this turns out. So I went ahead and, excuse me, I went ahead and did my makeup, trying to really get this night going. And I used the African Pride 7 essential oils. And as you can see, my expression, my hair was not dry. So what I had to do was bring out the hair dryer to try to salvage what I could of my hair. And you will see that as well. I tried to blow dry it. I just really was disappointed that staying under the hair dryer for an hour and 30 minutes did not work for me. And I promise you, you guys, I would never do my hair the day of ever again. I never would do it again. Maybe if I do a wash and go, yes, but not a braid out or a twist out or anything like that.
Hey you guys, I wanted this video to be all voiceover, but I just wanted to come to y'all to tell y'all that today is Valentine's Day, and I decided to do my hair late. And my hair, when I took my hair down, it was not dry, so I had to kind of blow dry it to help it. I feel like my hair came out good. Yes, so I think when I get home tonight from our date, what I'm going to do is retwist my hair in the back, or re-braid my hair. And just, it wasn't dry. I stayed up under the hair dryer for an hour and 30 minutes and it still was wet. I mean, it was wet. So, but the way that the curls came out, they came out more like waves, and I love it. I love this. And my hair, it already looks stretched. So I am in love with this. And so I'm definitely going to do this style again. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and just say it wasn't a total fail, but for the time that I put into this, it wasn't a total fail. I am still able to go out on a date for Valentine's with my hubby and have a wonderful dinner and still be cute, you know. So my hair probably will be poofy tomorrow, but like I said, tonight I think what I'm gonna do, if I feel like it, I'm just gonna go ahead and re-braid everything. And yeah, so thank you guys so much. I showed you all the products that I used and everything. And again, I did sit up under that hair dryer for an hour and 30 minutes, both ways, front and back, trying to dry my hair. And it was wet. It was wet. So I thank you guys so much for sticking with me and stopping by and spending time with me. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. And yeah. Thank you. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all so much. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Remember, be blessed, be well, and be you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.